Are you one of the people today who are rediscovering the joy and deep satisfaction of creating things with your hands? For over 50 years, Vesterheim's Folk Art School has celebrated living traditions through classes in Rosemaling, woodcarving and woodworking, fiber arts, metalworking, and Scandinavian cooking, language, and culture. Ever since the first Rosemaling class in 1967, students have gathered at Vesterheim to learn centuries-old techniques, refine their craft, and connect with Scandinavian heritage. The museum's collection of over 33,000 artifacts is an unparalleled resource for students and instructors, helping to create an immersive learning experience. Vesterheim's Folk Art School is located in scenic Decorah, Iowa, known for the breathtaking beauty of its bluffs, river, hiking trails, and waterfall. Decorah is a beautiful place to visit in all seasons. The charming Main Street is the vibrant hub of activity for residents and visitors. Here you'll find a variety of boutiques, restaurants, galleries, and of course, Vesterheim, the National Norwegian-American Museum and Heritage Center. In addition to the Westby Torgerson Education Center, where the majority of classes are held, Vesterheim's campus also includes the museum's main building, the Bader Landsgaard Study Center, filled with artifacts for close-up study, and a heritage park with 12 historic buildings, whose grounds can be enjoyed by students at any time. Students at Vesterheim's Folk Art School enjoy the guidance of the very best instructors from Scandinavia and America. Rosemaling, one of the most distinctive Norwegian folk arts, is the decorative painting called Rosemaling. You can learn basic techniques and go on to explore the numerous different regional styles of this beautiful and often intricate painting. Fiber arts, whether it's weaving, embroidery, knitting, spinning, or the ancient art of knoll binding, Vesterheim offers classes sure to pique your interest. Woodcarving and woodworking. Highly respected artists from the United States and Norway teach students acanthus and dragon-style carving, chip carving, bent wood and green wood techniques, figure carving, spoon carving, coal rosing, and much more. Classes are available at all levels, from beginning skills all the way up to advanced techniques. Metalworking. Knife making at Vesterheim combines traditional methods of metal and leather work. You can explore the other aspects of metalwork too, from the basics of forging to the refined techniques of jewelry making. Culinary Arts. Food just might be the most universal and the most beloved expression of a culture. At Vesterheim, you can master many facets of Scandinavian cuisine, from baking to cheese making and brewing beer. Vesterheim's museum store has a full range of folk art supplies and materials that you can order online. The museum store is also the place to find something distinctively Scandinavian for yourself or a perfect gift for someone special back home. Vesterheim's Folk Art School offers classes for people of all ages and cultural backgrounds. Anyone who appreciates creating things by hand will benefit from our courses and instructors. Vesterheim intentionally fosters the idea of a community of makers, where the joy and benefits of handwork are embraced and celebrated, and lasting friendships are formed. For more information about Vesterheim's Folk Art School, to see a full course list, or sign up for a class, visit our website at vesterheim.org/folk-art-school.